Good afternoon, this is Brett Hayworth with Siouxland Public Media News. Day 3 of the federal trial of a Sioux City woman accused of voter fraud continued Wednesday, when several people testified that the signatures on voted-related materials by them were not written by them, and the judge told the mother of the defendant to stop talking to witnesses waiting to testify. After a morning break, and as the jury was about to be brought back to resume the trial, one of the federal prosecuting attorneys told Judge Leonard Strand that a court-martial had just seen the mother of defendant Kim Fong Taylor speaking to witnesses just outside the courtroom. Attorney Richard Evans related that Taylor's mother was heard saying to testify truthfully, but her daughter is facing years in prison. Evans asked that the mother not be able to continue to observe the trial in the courtroom, a step that Strand did not put in place. But the judge did warn the woman to no longer continue to talk to witnesses, or she would face contempt of court charge. Kim Taylor, who was married to Woodbury County Board of Supervisors member Jeremy Taylor, was arrested in January and pleaded not guilty to 52 counts of voter fraud. Prosecutors say she filled out and cast absentee ballots in her husband's unsuccessful run for the Republican nomination for Congress and his winning Woodbury County Board of Supervisors race in 2020. The indictment alleges the crimes involved obtaining the votes of members of Sioux City's Vietnamese community who had a limited ability to read or understand English. Kim Taylor is a native of Vietnam. The prosecutors have said that Taylor forged voting documents such as absentee early voting ballots and cast ballots for her husband. They said that Taylor at times would withhold translating key information associated with obtaining and casting absentee ballots, such as that it is illegal to cast a ballot for another person. 3 members of a family testified that the signatures on such voting materials as absentee ballot requests and absentee ballot return envelopes were not their signatures. Erica Tuttle, a Woodbury County election employee who worked at a satellite polling place, said she saw Kim Taylor come to that location to help many Vietnamese people get absentee ballots. Tuttle said Taylor attempted to go to a voting booth with people until being told she could not. On cross-examination, Tuttle said she had never seen Taylor cast a ballot on behalf of anyone. Jeremy Taylor again sat in the court and observed the legal proceedings Wednesday, a few days after court documents revealed that he had been named an unindicted co-conspirator. We have more details on this trial at kwit.org. For Siouxland Public Media, I'm Brett Hayworth.